boy? Would you like to be in my video? Yes? Oh, you're a good boy. Oh, yes, you are. After launching in Japan, Sony's new adorable robot puppy Aibo is strutting his way to the US. It's ready to learn tricks, take videos and photos, play with toys, and just be a sweet little companion. Sony unveiled the first litter edition for the US at a press event at its New York City headquarters. You'll be able to get it in time for the holidays. It goes on sale in September, but it'll cost you. It's about $2,900. Woof. Yeah, the cuteness doesn't come cheap, but this is so not your average toy. Aibo is the future of robotics. This pup is packed with deep learning artificial intelligence and sensors, detecting your facial expressions and voice commands. It's constantly learning through your interactions. A camera in its nose will sniff out its owner, but it can make a lot of friends. In fact, it can recognize up to 100 faces. It also knows the difference between a child and an adult, other pets, and objects.
Aibo will pick up on your personality. If you had a hard day at the office, Aibo knows to be docile and don't bother you. If you've had a great day and you're cheerful and you come home, this is what happens. You know, it's dancing and jumping around and just trying to give you love.
Aibo has a bunch of tricks it learns through the My Aibo app. It will obey your voice commands depending on how well he is trained. There's the typical puppy stuff like beg and shake hands. Aibo can play fetch by kicking a ball. He just may need a little time to get his paws lined up properly. But my personal favorite was getting him to play dead. Bang, bang. Oh, he's playing dead now. It's a very dramatic death. Oh. You have to train Aibo by saying things like good boy or bad job and give it some love with a scratch. So there's 3 places you can pet Aibo: right under the chin, oh yes, and right on top of the head, and in the back. He was a good boy, but Aibo can also be a girl. You can set that up in the app, along with customizing the dog's eye color and voice. It will also let owners take photos and video from the dog's point of view. Sony is working on having Aibo become a watchdog, sort of like a home camera on wheels, where you can remote control it from afar and see a video feed from the app. The back camera near his tail is mapping your environment, so it's learning your home. That means it's possible to teach Aibo where the kitchen is and just tell it to go there with a voice command. But Aibo doesn't have to stay at home. It comes with AT&T wireless service, so he'll stay connected wherever you go. This pup really comes to life with its nuanced body language. The body has 22 points of movement, and the OLED eyes show different expressions. With 2 hours of battery life, Aibo will return to its charging station when it runs out of juice. The Aibo robot first came out in 1999, but was reintroduced to the world with this vastly advanced model. Since the relaunch in January, Sony sold more than 20,000 of these new Aibos in Japan. The US version includes accessories and a 3-year plan to keep it connected to the cloud. Sony says updates over the years will keep Aibo growing. It's a pricey pup at $2,900. But Sony executives say they've seen a lot of interest in Aibo as a companion for the elderly. When you think of it as something to bring joy to someone who is lonely, the investment doesn't seem so rough. You're such a good boy. Oh, yes, you are. Aibo is one cute puppy. Oh, yes, he wants to do tricks too. Oh, see, he performs on camera. This is great.